Start with the story your song should tell. One clear idea is enough for ReadKidz to shape the lyrics and the visual plan. Choose the audience and song length, then press Start Song. Performance mode builds the MV around a complete musical performance. ReadKidz writes a title and organizes the lyrics into verses and choruses. You can edit every lyric section and fine-tune the lyric timing before choosing the music. 2 complete song takes are created for comparison. Listen to both and choose your favorite. The selected take becomes the timing source for every later shot. Open music prompt to review or refine the mood, instruments, tempo, and vocal character sent to the music model. Want to tune the story lets you reshape the storytelling while keeping the confirmed song and lyric timing intact. Every character, set, and prop stays editable. Open an asset to inspect and revise its prompt yourself, or tell Pudding what you want in everyday language and let the assistant prepare the change. The storyboard turns the song into 18 time shots and connects each one to the assets it needs. Review the plan, then generate every storyboard together with one click instead of working shot by shot. Storyboard shots work the same way. Open any shot to review and edit its full prompt, or switch to Pudding Chat, choose the whole shot or a single frame, and describe the composition or action you want changed. Generate all 18 videos together with one click instead of working shot by shot. Each finished clip keeps the storyboard timing, so the visuals stay synchronized with the master song. Final Cut assembles all 18 clips with the song and aligned lyric captions. Preview the full 1-minute and 52-second film, adjust the sequence if needed, then export. Export film can build the finished video with optional lyric captions. You can also download the selected source assets as a pack for your own edit and return to earlier exports later. That's the complete ReadKidz workflow. Now let's watch the finished music video, Cleanup Dance with Luna.
Luna hops across the floor, toys are scattered, time for more. She calls her friends to come and play, let's sort the colors away. Clean up, dance around, pick the colors off the ground. Red and blue and yellow too, teamwork makes it shine brand new. Bear grabs blocks of red and gold, bird sorts buttons big and bold. Froggy finds the green toys fast, every color matched at last. Clean up, dance around, pick the colors off the ground. Red and blue and yellow too, teamwork makes it shine brand new. Now the playroom looks so bright, every toy is tucked in right. Luna cheers and spins around, best of friends in our whole town. Clean up, dance around, pick the colors off the ground. Red and blue and yellow too, teamwork makes it shine brand new. Clean up, dance around, pick the colors off the ground. Red and blue and yellow too, teamwork makes it shine brand new.